Voice check. Hey, what's going on? Broderick Olatan Jr. here, the self-made visionaire. And in this video, I want to go over with you the three main things that every business owner should be focusing if they want to be able to see success in their business and to be able to take their business to the next level, all right? So every person should be focused on when building a brand, a business, whatever, online. I'm going to go ahead and write them down for you. So the first thing is your offer. All right. So number one, people need to focus on their offer. All right, getting their offer solid. They don't, when you create an offer, a product, a service, or something, you have to make sure that it's an actual quality product or service that people actually need. So you make sure before you go into business and you create an offer, a product, that it's actually a product that people need, that like a problem that needs solving. Okay, so you have to identify that. Is your product something that people really need, or is it just a product that they can live without? Right. So it's really important, and the best products out there are the products that solve big problems. Okay, so if you are trying to sell something, you're figuring out what to sell, think about, like, does this solution solve a big problem? All right, so I want to explain to you guys real quick the three best niches to get into in business, and that's the health niche, the health and fitness niche, and then the making money online niche, the wealth niche, and then the relationship niche. Now, why these niches are the best niches to get into are because they have the biggest problems, right? They have the biggest problems in life, right? The wealth problem, the the fitness, the health problem, and then the relationship problem. These are three really, really big um, problems that have, I mean, niches that have huge problems in it that need, like, and people are always looking for solutions for. All right, so you'd probably want to go into one of those if you want to start off like on the right foot, and to make sure that that your product actually has a really good offer. Now, when you're able to solve a problem, you know your value is correlated on the direct response and value that you give in solving a problem, on how big it really is. All right, so the health niche, right? So if you're going into the health niche, does your product really help somebody get from their agitated state, their current situation, to their desired state and their desired situation? All right, because what you're trying to sell is a product or service that's going to act as a vehicle to get them there. And the more pain and the more the bigger the problem you have and you're trying to solve, the better your product is going to be, as long as you can deliver on that. All right, guys. So you got to make sure that your offer is solid and it's irresistible. All right, you have to put effort into that. Now, once you have your offer ready, you have a really good offer, product or service. Number two is you're gonna have to focus on content. Okay. All right. So, like, selling, in this day and age now, it's totally different. It's not like the early internet days where you could just put something in front of somebody and they're gonna buy from you, right? You want to be able to, build a relationship. People have to know who you are first, right? They have to see what you do, what kind of work you do. Get them familiar and build, like I said, a relationship with your customers and your audience. All right, so that's how you're going to be able to actually get some sales from people, right? Because nobody's buying stuff from strangers anymore. Nobody's buying stuff from people they don't know, and nobody's definitely buying stuff from people they do not trust. And the way to build trust is to produce content and show people what you're actually doing, and show them what you're about, and show the passion that you actually have inside of that offer or service that you have. Okay, you have to give them a reason why they should work with you. All right, so you got to think about it like, if let's say there's two fitness people, right, and they're both selling fitness online coaching programs, right? And one of them is pushing out content, showing the workouts that they do, showing the client results, just showing, like producing content on what they're about and what they do. and then one fitness trainer isn't doing any of that. They're not posting content. They just have their website up and it says, hey, sign up, for my free online training. These are the benefits, right? Who do you think you're gonna go with? You're gonna go with the person who's showing what they're doing, the quality of work that they're doing, and just producing content so that you can build a relationship. Like, it'll make, like, you pushing content on your offer or service is going to get you to feel like the customer. It's going to get the customer to feel like, oh wow, like I know this guy, like, oh, like he's posting great content. It's going to kind of build a relationship with them, right? So that's why content is king, and you need to be producing it all the time. All right, you're competing with a whole bunch of people in your niche, and the only way that you're going to stick out is if you produce content and you get people to know who you are, and get people to know what you're offering and what you're all about, right? So that's the second thing that you need to focus on. Now, the third thing that you need to focus on is traffic. Now, I'm not talking about traffic like cars, I'm talking about traffic like getting people, like eyeballs, like people on the computer, traffic. You have to, like, even if you have such an amazing offer, that solves a huge problem, like, there's no way that you're going to be able to sell it if you don't get people to that offer, all right? So you should always have two forms of traffic there's two forms of traffic, honestly, organic traffic and paid traffic, and you should have both of them, all right? So an example of organic traffic is, like, for example, your social media, like you're just posting stuff on YouTube or you're posting stuff on Instagram, building your brand at the same time. Now, building your brand is key to all of this. This is pretty much building a brand to sell your offer, okay? So when you have traffic, organic traffic from like Instagram, or you have organic traffic from YouTube or just Facebook or something, just by posting what you do and people seeing it, that's traffic, okay? So people are consistently getting exposed to whatever offer you have, all right, and what you're all about. And then paid traffic is like when you pay for Facebook advertisements or you pay for Google advertisements, like you're paying for this traffic, all right? So you should always have two forms of like paid and organic traffic going to your offer, all right? So when you have traffic going to your offer and you have traffic going to your content, they see what kind of business and what you're all about, and the quality of service that you provide and the products that you have. Once you have that all set up with an amazing offer and traffic going to that offer, then that is like the recipe for success. That is the recipe to be able to be successful in whatever it is that you're doing online. All right, so like another way to do all of this and to have all of this automated is through a sales funnel, okay? So let's say, we're trying to get people to our amazing fitness offer that, that helps people lose weight while, like a keto diet kind of thing, something like that, right? We're trying to get people to that product that we created, whether it's like a digital course or something like that. The way to automate this entire process is through sales funnels, all right? So what a sales funnel is pretty much a series of web pages that you send people through to pre-educate them and sell them on your product, and to kind of like build trust in a way as well too, all right? So it's a way that you can provide value. So let's just say this is the Facebook ad, okay? And then we offer something to them, to get their incentive. So it's like in the Facebook ad, it's saying, hey, come and get your free like 2-day training or like ebook on how to lose weight with keto diet or something like that. So they go ahead and click that, and they get sent over to your landing page. Now this is like the first step inside of the funnel. So they go ahead and enter their email address here, and then they get your ebook or that free training, okay? So this could be like the ebook. Okay, and then that funnel then goes to the actual sales page where you make the money, and you actually selling your product or your service, the one that you're trying to sell, okay? So through this process, you are getting people, you're building more of a relationship, and you're building more of trust because you're providing value by giving an ebook, and also at the same time you're collecting their email address, all right? So this is the email opt-in page where they put in their email in order to get your free ebook offer that's about fitness. and then it gets sent over to your email autoresponder. Okay, so this is your email autoresponder where you store all of those emails that you collect with the first part of the sales funnel. All right, so when you have this, you're able to continuously send them emails too and build your asset. This is your asset, right? It's kind of like a social media. When you build up your social media and you have a whole bunch of followings, you can just instantly put something in front of them and expose them to all your followers. Well, an email list is kind of the same thing. So all the emails that you have and you've collected, and all those people who are interested in that specific niche, this example being fitness, we're going to be able to retarget them with different kinds of offers that are related in that niche, as long as we're providing value in exchange for their time, right? In exchange for the opportunity for them to buy from us, all right? So where I was going with this is an automated system, right? This is a sales funnel. This is what every business should have online in order to get them to the next level. This is what we use for my digital marketing clients. We build out sales funnels for them, and we automate their system, and we get their business to the next level, all right, with sales funnels. So like I said, this was the Facebook ad. So this is the Facebook ad, right? Facebook ad. Okay, so this is the Facebook ad, and they're clicking on that. This is the paid traffic. Now let's just say, for example, this is our Instagram or our YouTube. Let's just say it's YouTube, and this is an offer. We created a video, just about fitness, and we got people who are interested in fitness to click on it and watch our video, and then in the description it has an offer to our ebook, right? So we're just sending traffic to this landing page, and then it's doing this process for us, all right? Let's say they go through the process, and they don't buy on the first time. It's okay, because now we have their email address, and the way we set our email autoresponder up is it's going to continuously send that person emails who opted in, value emails with the offer again as well. So these are value emails, and inside is a button to click on and bring them back to our offer, guys. So this is a sales funnel. This is how people generate passive income. This is how people get to the next level in business, all right? So once you have your offer solid, this is your offer. And once you have your content, this is your content, your content is right here. And traffic, which is the paid advertisements, and Instagram and YouTube, once you have all those going, you can let this thing sit in the background and just continuously produce content, right? And all your content is going to lead to your email opt-in page, which you're going to be collecting and building your asset that you can email at any time, all right, guys? And the key to the conversions of all of this is to make sure that you are providing value and building a relationship and building trust. The more trust, the higher the conversion rates that you're going to get. Now, if you guys are interested in this whole system that I just talked to you guys about, I have a free 4-day training that teaches you all about sales funnels, all about how to connect, set everything up inside your sales funnels, how to set up your email autoresponder and build out this entire automated money-making machine pretty much. In detail, I have it inside of my free 4-day training that you can find at broderickolatanjr.com, and then just click on free 4-day training, guys. I also have an offer in there if you guys want to start a business model where I can do 90% of the work for you, and you can work with me personally so that we can go ahead and start generating you passive income using a sales funnel, right? And even if you're not trying to start that on an affiliate marketing business and you're trying to sell your own product, or you're trying to create a digital marketing agency, sales funnels is like the foundation of what you need to know, the skill that you need to know so that you can be successful with anything, whether it's you have a digital marketing agency and you're building out sales funnels for clients, or you're building out your own sales funnel so you can sell your own digital product or your own, physical product or whatever it is. Like, having a sales funnel is key. And inside broderickolatanjr.com, in the free 4-day training, all of that is in there for you. I even have bonuses inside there if you decide to work with me that teaches you guys about Facebook advertisements, and it teaches you how to start affiliate marketing, a more in-depth course on affiliate marketing, how to set up all your links and set everything up. Everything is in there for you guys so that you can succeed and get to the next level in business. All right, so if you guys had value, if you guys got value out of this video, I hope you guys go ahead and hit that like button and show me some love. Go ahead and follow me at on Instagram. I'll have a description down below. I provide a ton of value on there as well too. And then go ahead and subscribe, because I'm posting videos like this and sharing tons and tons of value, that not a lot of people are doing. Like, the value that I'm giving on this channel is just crazy. I've been on the other end of this, trying to find value and trying to find like people who are really genuinely out there. And there's rarely any people out there that'll like lead you to like the real stuff, right? And that's why I'm here. That's what I'm doing, all right? I'm trying to provide as much value as I can and help as many people as I can, so they can get to the next level in business, all right? So that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I will see you guys in the next one.